order and accelerating the adoption of cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing health. As we embark on this remarkable journey of Bio Asia 2025, it is truly an honor to have in our midst a constellation of accomplished leaders and visionaries whose contribution have shaped the landscape of life sciences and healthcare. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Bio Asia's stage, our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving him a warm welcome. We are privileged to have you here with us, sir. I would also extend our welcome to Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Industries and Commerce and Legislative Affairs, Shri D. Sridhar Babu Garu. We are honored to have you with us today, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, a special welcome to Her Excellency, the Honorable Dr. Janet Young, AC PSM Governor of Queensland, Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, whose presence signifies the global importance of collaboration in the life sciences sector. And also humbly request all our dignitaries to please join us on stage. And thank you for your presence. I request you all to please join us on stage and take your seats, please. While our dignitaries are taking their seats, ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here with our esteemed dignitaries on the stage, we'll take a few moments here and I humbly request our dignitaries to please take their seats. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here with the esteemed dignitaries on this stage, and now invite Mr. Shakti Nagapan, Director of Life Sciences, Government of Telangana, to share his insights and deliver the welcome address for Bio Asia 2025.
A very good morning, Honorable Chief Minister, sir. Honorable Minister for Industries and Commerce, Honorable Governor of Queensland, dignitaries on and off the dais. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the 22nd edition of Bio Asia and to the wonderful city of Hyderabad. Over the years, Bio Asia has evolved into a truly global platform, bringing together leaders, policymakers, researchers to foster meaningful collaborations. The event has been an integral part of Hyderabad's journey to becoming an unmatched life sciences destination. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Minister for Industries, the sector has seen remarkable growth in the last 14 months. We now have 7 out of top 10 global pharma companies in Hyderabad. And I must say, sir, under your leadership, we are well on our way to making it 10 out of 10. The growing presence of global organization underscores the city's unmatched ecosystem of talent, infrastructure, and policy support from the government. I'm thrilled that we'll be welcoming several new. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to all the partners and stakeholders who have contributed to shaping an engaging program with the impressive lineup of global and domestic speakers. I am confident that the event will enable meaningful discussions and help build partnerships that will redefine the future of healthcare. Once again, welcome to Bio Asia 2025.
Thank you, sir. We express our sincere gratitude for insightful and inspiring welcome address. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we request you to have your attention on screen now as our Honorable Chief Minister launches the Telangana Life Sciences video showing the extraordinary progress of life science sector under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our Honorable Minister for Industries. I would request Sir to please do the honors, the launch of the Telangana Life Sciences video, ladies and gentlemen.
A revolution is unfolding in Telangana. Under the dynamic and visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revanth Reddy, and Honorable Minister for Industries and Commerce, Shri Sridhar Babu, Telangana isn't just riding the wave of innovation, it's rewriting the playbook and cementing its status as a global life sciences powerhouse. In the past year alone, the state has attracted over 140 groundbreaking projects, drawing a staggering 40,000 crores in investments and creating more than 55,000 direct jobs along with 1.5 lakh indirect jobs. At Bio Asia 2024, the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revanth Reddy, announced the bold expansion of Genome Valley, India's largest R&D cluster. True to its promise, the government delivered an additional 300 acres, fueling further innovation. Flying the Telangana flag high from Davos to investment trips in the USA and South Korea, our proactive government has wooed industry titans such as Eli Lilly, Amgen, Zoetis, HCA Healthcare, and Evernorth Healthcare Services. Meanwhile, our trailblazing leaders are championing integrated growth through landmark initiatives like Pharma Villages, Green Pharma City, and Medical Devices Park. With unmatched leadership, proactive governance, world-class infrastructure, and a rock-solid business ecosystem, Telangana isn't just attracting investments, it's scripting the future of global healthcare and life sciences. Telangana, the ultimate global life sciences destination.
Thank you everyone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Krishna Kanumuri, Managing Director and CEO, Sai Life Sciences, to please step forward and say a few words.
Honorable CM, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister of Industry and Commerce, Sridhar Babu Garu, Her Excellency, Dr. Janet Young, and my fellow people from the life sciences, CRDMO, and pharma ecosystem. It's an immense honor to be here today. I really want to thank organizers for really putting together this real amazing gathering. But just reflecting back on the amazing opportunity for India in general, and Hyderabad in particular, it's a really exciting time. All of us in this business have seen Boston evolve in 20 years from a startup to global center of innovation. Likewise, if you look at Hyderabad, in the last 20 years, we really see a nucleus of the CRDMO sector really establishing itself. And last 18 months, the transformation is really underway. If I look at what has changed in 18 months, our global innovative partners have started really looking at to build the Indian ecosystem to be true innovative partners, strategic partners, as opposed to tactical service providers. And this is reflecting on just the culture we have built, the core capabilities we've built. We all have worked really hard together to ensure that we've made the highest standards of quality, governance, and environmental sustainability. But the real test of the growth ability is going to come from delivering complexity on scale reliably. And that's where opportunity lies for us. There are going to be two key ingredients which are going to make this possible, is talent and technology. When I talk about talent, I'm just not talking about talent at scale. It's a question of we have to change our own talent profile to what the industry is demanding. In the past, we are a pair of hands. Now we have to become innovative partners. The key aspect of that is going to be bringing in scientific curiosity to solve tough scientific problems as opposed to following instructions. It's a fundamental cultural shift how we operate to truly become partners in the global system. And technology, there's so much technology in which really we can adapt very quickly, make part of our core processes to improve efficiency and problem solving. And there's so many new modalities come in. Our ability to continue to invest in all new modalities is going to be very critical. So net, the opportunity is tremendous, but at the same time, the work is unbelievable. To build the scale, and no one company can tick this needle. This has to be a collaboration between companies, our innovative partners, and the government. Like we said, Sai, let's make it better together. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now it is a pleasure to invite Dr. Kulini Gebris, Vice Chair and a U.S. Life Sciences and Healthcare Industry Leader, Deloitte, to share her remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Kulini Gebris, I'm thrilled to be here with you all. Good morning, Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister for Industry and Commerce, Sridhar Babu Garu, and distinguished guests. It is a pleasure to be here with you. It is a pleasure to be here representing Deloitte, and more personally, it is a pleasure for me to be here as a former public health worker and emergency medicine physician who has practiced around the world in hospitals and disaster zones. What I want to share with you today is that we at Deloitte are committed to shaping a future of health that is driven by innovation to make health and well-being accessible to all. As the world's leading life sciences, healthcare, and professional services firm, we've been working with most of the Fortune 500 life sciences and healthcare companies to make sure that we touch the lives of hundreds of millions and billions of people around the world. Through our work with organizations leading in the life sciences and healthcare industry, we have helped launch the first CRISPR gene-based therapy for curative therapies. Our collaboration with organizations streamlines service experiences so everyone can focus on what matters most, patients. Our GenAI solutions have demonstrated substantial benefits for clinicians and caregivers. Innovations that we are spearheading are empowering personalized, efficient care and advancing scientific discovery and breakthrough. Yet, as we celebrate these great achievements, we, just like you, are witnessing that there are many trends rapidly reshaping the life sciences and healthcare industry. With the emergence of new technologies, industry convergence, organizations are figuring out how to restructure themselves and how to rethink what they do to solve for humanity's most complex problems. Now, more than ever, we know that the key to solving for the future lies in collaborations that pull us all together. The path to an innovative and equitable future is not one that any of us should take alone. We at Deloitte are excited for what the future holds, and we are even more excited what we can accomplish in partnership with all of you. Thank you to the government of Telangana and Bio Asia for bringing us together. Let us continue to make the most of our time together and drive discussions for a healthier, better tomorrow for us all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I would request Mr. Jan Nadiger, Trade and Investment Commissioner of Flanders, Belgium, as he shares his insights and thoughts.
Good morning and a warm greetings. Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister Sridhar Babu Garu, and rest of the dignitary on the dais, and then the vibrant life science ecosystem in Telangana gathered here today. I represent the Flanders region of Belgium for South of India, and Flanders and Telangana Life Sciences Cooperation is in its third year as international region partner for Bio Asia and interacting with the Telangana ecosystem. Flanders has a strong and profound research and innovation ecosystem. It is diverse and characterized by offering in biotech, medtech, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and it offers a very unique life science sphere that is supported by robust financing landscape as well as a supportive government. Flanders, Belgium plays a very, very important role in Europe as the nerve center of Europe. Flanders has been engaging with Telangana Life Sciences team for some time now, and several luminaries have been given the Lifetime Achievement Awards, keynote speakers at Bio Asia, and more importantly, Dr. Ajit Baran Shetty has been the chairman of the International Advisory Committee of the Bio Asia for several years now. Dr. Ajit Baran Shetty's role in building this Flanders-Telangana cooperation is highly appreciated. Thank you, Ajit, for this. The Flanders Life Sciences Network is also represented by Flanders Institute of Biotechnology, popularly known as VIB, and also the life sciences enterprises in Flanders. The common areas of interest range from immunotherapy to fermentation technology, to genome technology, to lipids, nanotype technologies, to vaccine technologies, mRNA, many more, medtech, and to artificial intelligence, and among the cluster-to-cluster cooperation. As part of this cooperation, several rounds of roundtables, visits, and interactions have taken place, and the highlight has been the recent meeting of our Honorable Minister President of Flanders, Matthias Deependale, and team with the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri Revanth Reddy, and team at the World Economic Forum in Davos. We have Flanders Life Sciences taking part today at Bio Asia, and we have a team visiting, and then I would invite the vibrant Telangana ecosystem to interact with them and then foster cooperations. Before I conclude, we would like to extend a warm invitation to the Telangana Life Sciences ecosystem to visit Flanders and to explore set up their R&D setups or market exploration enterprises. Flanders is hosting its annual flagship event of Knowledge for Growth, undoubtedly the most annual life sciences event in Europe for various stakeholders. We are pleased to extend an invitation and looking forward to welcome the Telangana Life Sciences delegation to the Knowledge for Growth to be held in May 7th and 8th, 2025. We look forward to further build together this Flanders-Telangana Life Sciences Cooperation. Once again, wish the 22nd Bio Asia event all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. I humbly request our guests to keep it brief. Thank you very much, keeping the time in mind. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, let us now hear from Dr. Ajit Shetty, Chairman Emeritus, Janssen Pharma and Chairman, International Advisory Board Bio Asia, as he provides his perspectives.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister, Honorable Governor. It's a privilege to be associated with this inauguration. I joined the International Advisory Board of Bio Asia in 2013 as chairman of Janssen Pharmaceutica. The theme was very simple: technology first, business second. And it was attended by approximately 500 attendees. But what it did do was really set the platform for tremendous growth to become one of the premier healthcare events, not only in this region, but in the world. Now, let's fast forward to 2025. Under the leadership of Jayesh, their ministers and their teams, they have created a tremendous trajectory of growth. And I'll use the factor 5, because when we come now to 2025, we are talking about over 2,500 attendees versus 500, which is a tremendous achievement. So as we move on to 2025 and onwards, with the theme of expanding global healthcare frontiers, I'm convinced you have set the platform for not only a new era of innovation, but also collaboration and, most important, patient benefits. In the words of Dr. Paul Janssen, the patients are waiting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shetty, to keep it brief. And now I request Dr. Satyanarayana Chava, founder and CEO of Laurus Labs, to please share his insights.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Honorable CM Revanth Reddy garu. Good morning to Minister Sridhar Babu garu, and also young and dynamic leadership of the government of Telangana. These days, pharmaceutical industry is a convergence of many areas in science and technology. What Hyderabad offers is a convergence of chemistry, biology, biotechnology, IT, AI, ML, and also very good ESG standards for the state and also for the city. And also very good living standards for the expats who want to move to Hyderabad. Having 7 out of 10 pharmaceutical companies presence in Hyderabad should bring the gap between the global launches and India launches of drugs should be very closer. I think India will become a destination for talent right now, but in the near future, we do hope India will also become an attractive market for big pharmaceutical companies. So we expect the launches, what will happen elsewhere in the world will also happen at the same time in India. And that's the time where we can say we are also doing very good in pharmaceutical industry. And we want to thank all the global companies for choosing Hyderabad as their destination. And this is just the beginning, because we know the capabilities of the current leadership in the government of Telangana. I'm sure the future is looking very bright. And once again, thank you, all of you, for choosing Hyderabad as your destination. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I will now call upon Dr. Sadhna Joglikar, Senior Vice President and Head Global Drug Development, Novartis, to please address us all.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, Honorable IT Minister, dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries off the dais, and my fellow colleagues. It's truly an honor today to stand here at the inaugural ceremony of the 22nd edition of Bio Asia. Over these last 22 years, Bio Asia has really become synonymous with what I consider as reimagining or redefining possibilities and acting as a catalyst of change within the life sciences and the healthcare services. Tell me one other conference in India that the likes of Bill Gates, Satya Nadella, Paul Polman, ex-CEO of Unilever, Soumya Swaminathan, and several others have graced. And that speaks volumes about the deliberations, the takeaways, and the importance of this summit. And I believe this has not happened by accident. It has not happened by chance. And therefore, I thought it would be appropriate to take a pause and recognize the efforts of the state of Telangana and the government of Telangana in providing and enabling this to happen. Having worked in the pharmaceutical industry for 25 years in India and outside of India, both in Asia and outside of Asia, having seen governments work with academia, with pharmaceutical industry at close quarters, I can truly say with my hand on my heart that what I see in Telangana and with Telangana government is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Here is a government which is approachable. Here is a government which is responsive. Here is a government which has a vision, and a long-term vision, not a 1 year, 2 year vision, and most importantly, has the commitment to follow through to transform this vision into reality. And all of this while ensuring that it stays a true partner to all stakeholders. And who better than Novartis to talk about it? A company that started its journey in Hyderabad way back in 2007, opened its labs in Genome Valley in 2011, much before even the birth of the state of Telangana. A company that has grown its footprint from 200 to more than 8,500 people here, a company that has transformed the word GCC from Global Capability Center to a Global Corporate Center, having end-to-end presence in several functions, including R&D. And now, taking a leadership role in shaping the ecosystem in partnership with the government in terms of whether you talk about scientific innovation symposium, where you get the brains, the deep science brains from across the country to come under one roof and discuss the progress of science. Or take the example of NIST, which is an attempt to again work with the academic ecosystem to expose young, bright minds from academia to the real world challenges that the pharma industry faces. But the reason I share all of this with you is because this would not have been possible without the progressive and visionary government of Telangana. So thank you very much. We were extremely grateful for this support and wish to communicate and convey our commitment to the country and to the state from the senior leadership of Novartis. And with that, I take great pleasure in wishing Bio Asia 2025 a grand success and look forward to many more editions of this summit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now let's hear from Mr. Som Chattopadhyay, National Executive, Amgen India, apparently a popular man too.
Good morning. Namaste. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy, Honorable Minister of Industry Shri Sridhar Babu, all of you present in this place, it's truly an honor and a privilege to be here today. I'm happy to announce that yesterday we officially opened our Amgen India office in Hyderabad. It was special because it was blessed by the Telangana government and our chairman and CEO, Bob Bradway. I am not going to tell you much about Amgen because Bob is going to give you a speech about, he's a keynote speaker, so you'll know more about Amgen. But we are really excited to be part of the Hyderabad ecosystem, which has become synonymous with innovation and excellence. Our site here is a technology and innovation center, not a GCC. We plan to integrate the best talent with the best technology, with the best science to solve complex challenges, unlock new possibilities, and serve more patients globally. This is Amgen Global. As we look ahead, I'm filled with optimism. Together, Amgen and all of you, this whole ecosystem will push the boundaries, innovate boldly, and make a lasting impression on global health. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed further, may I request everyone to please turn their attention onto the screen for a very special video message from Borghi Brende, President and CEO of the World Economic Forum. Can we have the video, please?
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a real privilege to address you today at the Bio Asia 2025. This year's summit is a timely reminder of the critical role innovation and collaboration play in transforming healthcare systems and improving lives worldwide. Just last month, at the World Economic Forum's annual meeting in Davos, we gathered under the theme, Collaboration in the Intelligence Age. Global leaders explored how technology and cross-sector partnerships can address the world's most pressing challenges, including, of course, in healthcare. Today's summit continues that conversation from Davos with a focus on tangible solutions to improve global health outcomes. Telangana is at the forefront of this transformation. Big congratulations on that. As the home to over 1,800 life sciences, pharmaceutical, and health tech companies, and as a manufacturer of 1/3 of the world's vaccines, it has become a global hub for healthcare innovation. In the past year alone, over 140 global companies have established a presence here, reinforcing Telangana's position as a leader in shaping the future of global health. At the World Economic Forum, we believe that advancing global health requires not only technological breakthroughs, but also cross-border collaboration, inclusive policymaking, and shared accountability. This is why our partnership with the Center for the Fourth IIR Telangana is so vital. Together we are working to accelerate the bioeconomy, advance digital health adaptation, and improve workforce well-being, all key pillars in building a more resilient and equitable healthcare system. We will set new benchmarks for excellence, ensuring that the benefits of innovation reach every community around the world. And thank you for joining us on this critical and consequential journey. Thank you.
Check. Thank you, Mr. Reddy and the World Economic Forum. We truly appreciate your collaboration with C4IR Telangana in driving innovation and collaboration in the life sciences sector. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Mr. G.V. Prasad, Co-Chairman and Managing Director, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, to share his remarks.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu, Minister for Industries and Commerce, Sridhar Babu Garu, and Dr. Young. It's a great honor to be here. And I had a long speech, but I'm going to cut it very short since you all want to listen to the Chief Minister. As I reflect back, Dr. Reddy's was founded in the year 1985. At that time, there were maybe about 10 companies making pharmaceuticals, APIs. And from there, we've come a very long way. We've become a global leader in APIs, in generics, a very big force in biosimilars, a strong presence in CDMO and contract research, and some signs of innovation. So we should all be very proud of what Hyderabad has achieved under the leadership, really mature leadership, political leadership, the very resourceful and dynamic entrepreneurs from Telangana. And we moved a very big way. So we should really congratulate ourselves for this. We've also created an ecosystem which has become a positive spiral, from APIs to generics, to biosimilars, to innovation, to services, and corporate hospitals, which are also part of the ecosystem. Together, I think we really are a force now. But like somebody said, we have to move. We have to move beyond these businesses, which are largely based on work somebody else has innovated and we do better. From there, we have to go to innovate. And that is a big, steep change for all of us, but it is in the realm of the possible. I urge all entrepreneurs, pharmaceutical companies, and local industry to look at this, the opportunity to innovate, find opportunities to serve diseases which are very specific to India, and other such things which are not invested on by large pharmaceutical companies in the world because of economic reasons. And like China has created a very vibrant local market for innovation, I think India also has to do that. We have to find ways to give premium to innovation so that will spur a lot more innovation. If you see the way China has moved in the last 10, 15 years, from almost very little innovation to become the second most innovative nation in biotech and pharmaceuticals in the world, it's possible for us. It requires committed political leadership with long-term orientation. We have that. And of course, dynamic entrepreneurs who are willing to take intelligent risks. That's for the Indian companies. For the international companies, I know you're putting your global centers here, and one of you said, we want to innovate here. We need to do a lot more of that. We have to bring your core innovation to this country. This is a country of 1.5 billion, and the market is very, very big for any disease you look at. So instead of just limiting yourself to the World Innovation Centers, we must bring your core R&D operations into India. With these two messages, I want to thank all of you and have a great seminar and great event today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's hear from Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, IAS Special Chief Secretary to Government of Telangana Industries, Commerce, IT, Electronics and Communication, as he shares his thoughts.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister for Industries and IT, Her Excellency Governor of Queensland, Dr. Young, dignitaries of the dais, participants, guests. I would also like to convey my heartiest welcome to everyone, particularly outstation participants who have come here to grace this amazing conference. This is the 22nd edition, and we come across very, very few seminars or conferences or events that have had such a long run and which become bigger and better and more enriching year after year. In fact, there is a global body of investment promotion organizations. It is called WIPA, World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies, and Bio Asia is showcased there as a case study on how for 22 years we have conducted this. So in the events industry, these kind of events are called properties. So they speak about this Bio Asia property, how this property has become bigger, how it has fulfilled multiple objectives, how different stakeholders find value in this property, and what is happening today and tomorrow. And of course, day zero of Bio Asia is also very important. So what happened yesterday, these 3 days are going to be phenomenal. What happened yesterday, I would just like to give a brief account. Of course, we learned that the Amgen's India Innovation and Technology Center was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Minister and their Chairman and CEO. But something else also equally significant happened. We had the inaugural of Miltenyi Biotech's facility in the Genome Valley, which is the first center of excellence on cell and gene therapy in the country. And the privilege that it is happening in Telangana, in Hyderabad, should not be lost on anyone. In fact, this I'm very, very confident will pave the way for next generation technologies, what Dr. G.V. Prasad and others spoke about, to make India their hub. And under the leadership, Honorable Minister for Industries, we are now developing a policy which we are calling Next Gen Life Sciences Policy. So Hyderabad, as we all heard, has done exceedingly well in pharmaceuticals, in vaccines, in biotech R&D, in medical devices, in the confluence of digital and life sciences. But what are the next generation technologies, the frontier technologies to conquer? Cell and gene is, of course, very important. Genomics, personalized medicine, advanced manufacturing, all of these will be a very key part of our forthcoming Next Gen Life Sciences Policy. And there is a lot to really look up and look forward to in Hyderabad, and we continue to seek everyone's cooperation and support. So may all of us together continue our patronage and our commitment to this event called Bio Asia, and continue to make Hyderabad and Telangana our go-to destination for setting up our businesses and new initiatives. Once again, warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for encouraging words. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next session, the Genome Valley Excellence Award. I'm sure you all were waiting for this. The Genome Valley Excellence Award has achieved the stature of the most eminent award in the field of life sciences. Year on year, distinguished personalities have been presented with this coveted honor. Over the years, the Genome Valley Excellence Award has garnered prominence as a coveted recognition within the life sciences fraternity and has become synonymous with groundbreaking innovation, cutting-edge research, and transformative impact. So we are delighted to confer this year's award to Professor Patrick Tan for his extraordinary contribution, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, to do the honors of presenting the Genome Valley Excellence Award 2025 to Professor Patrick Tan, ladies and gentlemen. I would also request an Honorable Minister for Industries along with Mr. Ranjan and Mr. Nagappan to join in congratulating Professor Patrick Tan. Ladies and gentlemen, let the claps keep rolling, ladies and gentlemen, come on. The recipient of the Genome Valley Excellence Award 2025, Professor Patrick Tan. Congratulations, sir. And thank you, dignitaries, to do the honors. Now let's welcome Professor Tan to share his thoughts and give his acceptance speech.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister, Honorable Governor. Thank you for gracing today's occasion. I stand before you here extremely honored, humbled, overwhelmed by this award. I would like to thank the selection committee from Bio Asia, the organizing committee from Bio Asia, for this recognition that really follows a very, very prominent set of predecessors that I am privileged to stand around. Not just for myself or for our individual research achievements, but because all of this work has been done in Singapore, which is a tiny country and probably 25% the size of Hyderabad. But what I do feel is that this is an award, not just for myself, but for Singapore, but for Asia. For the past 20 years, I've been focused and fascinated by the fact that Asians are different. The diseases are different, the cancers are different, the disease manifestations are different, the responses to therapies are different. And perhaps it is time for all of us to band together. Maybe Singapore can play a small role in thinking about how we can apply all of these new technologies, genomics, AI, cell and gene therapy, to treat diseases tailored and relevant for us in Asia that collectively represent the majority of the world. And for that, I thank you very much for this recognition, and in Singapore, we will do our best to play this role. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and once again, congratulations to Professor Tan. And now to address us all, may I request Her Excellency, the Honorable Dr. Janet Young, ACPSM Governor of Queensland, Australia, to please share her insightful thoughts.
Thank you. The Honourable Chief Minister, the Honourable Minister for Industries and Commerce. I would also like to acknowledge the Honourable Ros Bates, MP, who is Queensland's Minister for Finance, Trade, Employment and Training, and shows the importance that we place on Bio Asia and this relationship. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as the Governor of Queensland, I would first like to express my sincere gratitude to all of those who have been involved with in the warm welcome you've given us in arriving here to Bio Asia 2025. Of course, Queensland and India will always enjoy a very, very special bond through our mutual love of cricket. But even more important than that, I might say, is the increasing collaboration in the field of life sciences. Queensland is home to world-class research institutions, advanced healthcare technologies, and a robust life sciences sector. But we have so much to learn from you, and we are looking forward to that. Hyderabad's Bio Asia 2025 is the key focus of our mission to India, And given my own background in health and health policy, I'm very much looking forward to meeting Bio Asia delegates from across the region who work at the forefront of life science innovations. Queensland has 20 delegates representing 10 Queensland companies and research institutions at Bio Asia 2025. And later today, we'll launch our showcase of world-leading health innovations being exhibited at this region's premier global health tech and life sciences event. I invite you all to pop by. Bio Asia is key to Queensland as it promotes investment and collaboration in health industries such as biopharmaceuticals, digital health, medical devices, and advanced therapeutics. As such, we have representatives from 4 of Queensland's major tertiary research institutes, the University of Queensland's Australian Institute for Bioengineering and Nanotechnology, Queensland University's Clinical Trials Centre, the University of the Sunshine Coast, and QIMR Berghofer Medical Research Institute, all here this week to meet with key Indian partners and stakeholders. In addition, key Queensland exporters to the region in the health and life sciences sector, including Vaxis, Resolium Bioanalytics, Southern RNA, Telmec, Healthcare Logic, and G20 Me Consulting, are all exhibiting here, so please come and meet them. Demand from India for Queensland's health products, life science innovations and services has experienced tremendous recent growth in the previous years. But more than all of this, India also remains the second largest source market for international student enrolments in Queensland, with 19,990 enrolments as of September last year. And of these, nearly 3,000 were in health-related programs in Queensland, with 60% in higher education, nursing, and public health programs had nearly 1,000 student enrolments. This is a key relationship for us. I'm sure that Queensland's commitment to Bio Asia, Telangana, and India overall, as demonstrated by the strength of our delegation, will continue to strengthen our excellent relationship. Thank you. Thank you for your hospitality, and enjoy Bio Asia. I certainly will.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to a significant moment in Bio Asia 2025. We're happy to announce the strategic partnerships Telangana government is forging to advance the life sciences ecosystem. On that note, I would like to invite Dr. Ben, CEO Health Innovation Manchester, part of NHS UK, along with Oliver Barnes and Andrea Winders on stage, and also like to welcome Mr. Sujit, the CEO of T-Hub, on stage, and I would request our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister of Industries, Mr. Ranjan and Mr. Nagapun, to come forward on the stage to exchange the MOUs. Ladies and gentlemen, Telangana and Health Innovation Manchester join forces to drive healthcare innovation, medtech, diagnostics, and digital health solutions. Backed by T-Hub, RICH, IKP, AIC T-Hub, AIC CCMB, and Dr. Reddy's Institute of Life Sciences. This alliance aims to enhance patient outcomes and advance cutting-edge healthcare solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you everyone. And now, I would like to invite, yes, I hope the pictures have been captured. Thank you very much. You can please take your seats. And now I would like to invite Her Excellency, the Honorable Dr. Janet Young, AC PSM Governor of Queensland, Australia, to please join the delegation from Queensland on stage for a formal exchange of letter of intent. I humbly request Mr. Rosalind Bates, MP Minister for Finance, Trade, Employment and Training, Queensland, along with Ms. Shannon Willoughby, Mr. Alan Rowan, Mr. Trent Munro, Mr. Justin McCowan, and Mr. Abhinav Bhatia to please join us on stage. Further strengthening Telangana's global life sciences leadership, the University of Queensland and Telangana Life Sciences have come together to collaborate on cutting-edge research, digital healthcare, and AI-driven innovation. So congratulations to you all. Thank you very much. I request our Honorable Governor to take her seat. For our next announcement, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Shyam Bishan, Head Center of Health and Healthcare Executive Committee member, World Economic Forum, along with Mr. Pratyush Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage for the launch of India Digital Health Activator. And I also request Honorable Chief Minister and the dignitaries to do the honor for the launch of India Digital Health Activator. Ladies and gentlemen, India Digital Health Activator is the first of its kind initiative by WEF to accelerate public-private collaboration in digital healthcare. So congratulations. We are very proud to announce that Telangana will be the first hub under the Activator framework. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a momentous occasion as we launch the Innovative Pharmaceutical Services Organization that is headquartered in Hyderabad. We are honored to have the association leaders, Mr. Peter Baines and Mr. Mani Kantapuri, along with their core members who are going to join us on stage to celebrate this remarkable achievement and shape the future. Future of the CRDMO industry. I request Mr. Peter Baines and Mr. Mani Kantipuri, along with the core members, to please join us on stage. I request our Honorable Minister to do the honors. 11 leading contract research and development organizations have come together to establish IPSO. With a shared vision to advance industry needs, collaborate with the government for favorable regulatory environment, nurture world-class talent, and strengthen the supply chain ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, this collaboration between these 11 CRDMOs will drive innovation, facilities, knowledge sharing, and accelerate global growth from Telangana. So congratulations to you all, and thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for a few moments before we continue. Thank you. I once again take this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, that we are launching here the Innovative Pharmaceutical Services Organization that is headquartered in Hyderabad. And I humbly request our Honorable Chief Minister to please do the honor to launch the IPSO along with the other dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, Telangana is now home to the Innovative Pharmaceutical Service Organization. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite our Honorable Minister for Industries, Sri D. Sridhar Babu Garu, to please enlighten us with his thoughts.
A very good morning to all. Andariki namaskaram. We welcome to our Bio Asia 2025, which at the right time and the right moment, we have captioned it, Catalyst for Change. So here, in the midst of all the prominent scientists, entrepreneurs, and our esteemed leaders from the industry who have made our Telangana proud and our industry proud. We are in the midst of all the enlightened men over here with the presence of our Chief Minister, Honorable Sri Revanth Reddy Garu. And also, we welcome Her Excellency, Governor of Queensland, and Professor Tan, Dr. Shetty, and all elders from the industry on the days and off the days. And also we welcome the delegation from the Queensland state who have come here, and also big delegation from Amgen, and also from Miltony, and of course friends from media. Here, I'm here to say that we, along with our Honorable Chief Minister, are welcoming you all. This is the second time after we formed the government, and that too this prestigious 22nd edition of the annual international event hosted by Government of Telangana. As rightly said by the elders on the days when we started this vision 2 decades back, and ultimately evolving ourselves to become a globally recognized platform, wherein we try to get the brightest minds, the most innovative companies, and also the leading scientific institutions from all around the world. I extend my deepest gratitude to all our partners, stakeholders, industry leaders who have played a pivotal role in shaping this very vibrant ecosystem. Your contribution in innovation, research, and collaboration have not only strengthened Telangana's position, but also advanced the global healthcare. I would like to mention here that we see Fortune 500 healthcare companies, CEOs, delegates across the world, scientific leaders like Professor Peter, Genome Valley Excellence Award, in the same forum on the days. Their participation reflects the testament of our reputation. The Bio Asia has been built over the past 12 decades, a culmination of excellence, and it has become a cornerstone for the healthcare and the sciences industry. And as mentioned earlier by Shekti Nagappa, over the past 12 months, we have invested and we have witnessed a huge surge of investment from several international and domestic companies who have chosen Telangana as the gateway to India, which is rapidly growing in terms of the life sciences ecosystem. From pharma manufacturing and R&D centers to GCCs, innovation hubs, these investments across the life sciences value chain are making Telangana an undisputed leader in this space globally. Genome Valley, the heart of our life sciences industry, continues to attract groundbreaking investments. Over the past year alone, we have witnessed several global life sciences companies, and also their presence here generated about 51,000 direct jobs and 150,000 indirect jobs over here. Last month, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, and I were in Davos for the World Economic Forum annual meeting, and the enthusiasm displayed by the various global investors towards Telangana and our vision was truly extraordinary and was motivating. We are very thankful for the encouragement they have shown on us during our trip. And I'm also proud to share that our state currently has investment projects with a potential worth of 1.78 lakh crores. This underscores the trust the companies place in our government, in our partners, as a premier destination for the life sciences and healthcare investments. On the sidelines of this Bio Asia, Honorable Chief Minister had inaugurated the Amgen, the largest innovation center yesterday. And also, our government was pleased to mention here that we have also inaugurated Miltenyi, cutting-edge cell and gene therapy. Here, I just want to reaffirm that the government of Telangana is firmly committed to support their growth journey. This is a place where the convergence of the technology with the core medical and the core industry experts takes place. With healthcare and the life sciences at the heart of the Telangana's growth strategy, we continue to forge a meaningful partnership that drive innovation, research, and manufacturing excellence. Adding this momentum, today we have signed MOUs with Queensland University and another MOU with NHS UK and the T-Hub, paving the way for enhanced collaboration of the life sciences innovation. I am proud to share that we have also signed MOUs for several leading pharma companies like CDMOs and Research Institute, including Granules, Bharat Biotech, Orbicular Pharma, Aragen Sai Life Sciences, Agent Drug Research Solutions, Biologically, Visho Biotech Private Limited, Virupaksha Organic Limited, Jubilant Pharma Limited, and Vimita Labs at Bio Asia 2025. Additionally, the Association of the Contract Research, Development and Manufacturing Organization have also announced the establishment of headquarters in Hyderabad, reinforcing our state leadership in pharma R&D and manufacturing. Telangana government commits to promote continued growth of pharma industry in the state, especially through MSMEs, and encourage innovation in this sphere. We want our state to be an important node in the global LS value chain, and also our government is facilitating more investments and aims to increase Telangana share in pharma output. Today we produce about 20% of the world generic medicine and 40% of the global vaccine production, creating exports of $5 billion, serving about 200 countries, shows our testament to our unwavering commitment to this industry. As we look to the future, our focus remains steadfast on skilling and workforce development. Telangana is on the mission to become the global hub for the talent, and under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, we are taking decisive steps to make this vision a reality. And In the process, we have established a skills university by named Young India Skills University. And also to enhance the potential strengths and to enhance the skill strength over here, a key pillar in this mission is to establish a life sciences university, which is progressing rapidly to equip Hyderabad workforce with industry-relevant expertise. By collaborating closely with GCCs in Hyderabad, we are designing specialized curriculum in science and technology, ensuring our talent remains globally competitive and future ready. Further, C4IR Telangana Skilling Initiative under WAF in collaboration is making significant strides. I am delighted to share the first batch of the chemistry skilling program successfully concluded this month, making an important milestone in our journey. You know, with advanced tech emerging and emerging technologies taking their shape in each and every sphere of our lives, the pharma or the life sciences is no exception. And the advanced tech like AI, quantum, robotics evolving, we can accelerate drug discovery, increasing efficiency, and also, ultimately, the patients need the optimization of the cost. And Hyderabad life sciences journey is not about just attracting investments. It's about building a resilient, innovative, and future-ready ecosystem. And in the process, if you have seen it, Hyderabad as such, everybody knows is a key player, a home for 230 US FDA approved, which is the largest number outside the US, big manufacturing ecosystem we have, and also, while coming up with a life sciences economy, our Chief Minister vision to make 1 trillion economy, and the vision of Telangana 2.0, investing about $15 billion in capital expenditure in building the future city, in building a regional ring road, and also to see that the metro rail is being connected to different parts of our city, and also to make our Hyderabad and Telangana a data centers capital, and the institutions like the Indian Skills University. And we're also working to launch a deep tech sandbox for pharma and the life sciences too. So we are determined to insert Telangana into a global pharma supply chain as a key player in terms of bulk drug and also in generic hub. And we also would like to literally see, we also play a key role in terms of drug discovery, APIs, biosimilars, and a high-end research. And ultimately our goal and aim to see that we become the world's largest life sciences cluster over here. And I'm confident that with these many initiatives and with the cooperation and the coordination which you all people are extending over a period of 2 decades, definitely we see, we will provide the skilled talent which shall be available in India, as Telangana would be unlocking this sort of opportunities. I request and I also see that the people who have come from many countries and thousands of delegates who are here from the niche companies over here, I invite you to come, stay with us, stay connected, invested, and to be a part of our accelerated growth story. I once again thank you for everyone and hope the insights, the collaborations and discussions over the next 2 days at the Bio Asia will be going a long way. Thank you.
Thank you very much for enlightening words, sir. So ladies and gentlemen, now we take this opportunity to welcome global marquee companies to a vibrant life science ecosystem. On this note, I would like to call our leaders from MSD to come onto the stage. Please welcome Mr. Dave Williams, EVP, Chief Information and Digital Officer, along with Yonho Francic and Terry Rice. I request our Honorable Chief Minister to please present a token of appreciation, and would request our Honorable Minister for Industries, along with Mr. Jayesh Ranjan and Mr. Shakti Nagapan, to please join. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to welcome MSD to Telangana. As we capture this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I would take this opportunity to call out next company on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I humbly request Mr. Raj Babu, the CEO of Elysium, to please join us, along with Mr. Lokesh and Mr. Arun, and also Mr. Murli to please join us on stage. We are delighted to announce that Los Angeles, USA headquartered Elysium has launched its new office at RMZ Spire, Hyderabad, with plans to create 2,000 jobs. Thank you very much. And of course, welcome to Telangana. As we capture this moment, I will take the liberty of calling out our next company on stage. Invite the team of ALS Australia to please join us on stage. I request Mr. Arun Janaki Raman, the Managing Director, along with Mr. Feroz Mohammad, to please join us on stage. We are delighted to announce that ALS, a global leader in testing, inspection, certification, and verification solution, is establishing a state-of-the-art biopharma CGMP testing lab in Genome Valley, Hyderabad. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, I would like to invite Mr. Karunakar to please come up on the stage. We're delighted to announce that Lotus, a global pharma leader, is setting up its second R&D center in Hyderabad under its new Indian subsidiary, Mishi Pharma Services Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. And now, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ajit Reddy, Special Secretary to CM, if he's here, along with Dr. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, TGIIC, and Mr. Madhusudan, CEO, TGIIC, to please join us on stage. And we are delighted to announce that MOUs are being exchanged here with companies including Granules, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause. Granules, Orbicular, Isent, Biological E, Vircho, Virupaksha, Jubilant, Vimta, Origin, Bharat Biotech, and Sai Life Sciences. I welcome the leaders from these companies to please join us on stage. Green Pharma City, ladies and gentlemen, a flagship initiative of the government of Telangana, continues to attract significant investments, strengthening the state's position as a global leader in the pharmaceutical innovation and manufacturing. Previously, 6 leading pharmaceutical companies have signed MOUs with the government of Telangana. Today, an additional 11 companies have joined its initiative, bringing 5,445 crore in investments and creating 9,800 new jobs, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Now I may request everyone to please take their seats. Thank you very much. And now the time has arrived which you all were eagerly waiting for. We are truly honored to have with us today's leader whose visionary governance is raising Telangana to new heights of progress. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, to please come forward and share a few words with all of us.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bio Asia. Bio Asia has helped showcase how Hyderabad has been transformed into a global life sciences capital. The event will help position India as an important player globally in shaping the future of healthcare. Major pharma companies, large healthcare players, life science and biotech companies operate from Hyderabad. Long ago, we had the vision to create a great research institutions that create a culture of innovation and excellence. We invested in higher education and created a vast talent pool of scientists, technologists, domain experts and engineers. We created Genome Valley years ago. I want to transform my state's economy into a $1 trillion in next 10 years. The core urban area will become a service only city and aim for net zero. This is where we are creating Future City, AI City, and many other big projects. Hyderabad is now the EV capital of India, with the highest sales of EV in entire country. I am replacing 3,000 RTC public transport buses with electric vehicles. Outside this core urban area, I wanted to develop one of the world's largest manufacturing hubs. I want to make it my offer to the world for its China plus one need. We will connect these two rings with several radial roads. These will help us create manufacturing clusters for different verticals. As Telangana is a landlocked state, we are developing a mega dry port and will connect it to a seaport in neighboring Andhra Pradesh state. These two ports will be connected by a dedicated rail and road link. In this larger framework, we are excited to have this Bio Asia conference. I want to express my vision today. We will develop Hyderabad and Telangana into one of the world's best and largest ecosystems for biosciences, biotech, and life sciences in innovation, research and development, manufacturing, skills development, and investment. Yesterday, we welcomed Amazon to Hyderabad. This is proof of how vibrant our ecosystem is and how friendly our policies are. I know some of the biggest names and greatest minds are here from the industry. Together, I hope all of you use this as a platform for great collaborations. My government is committed to providing you with the perfect ecosystem that includes policy, infrastructure, and support. In the last 25 years, Hyderabad has emerged as a powerhouse in pharma manufacturing, IT, and digital health. Last year, we successfully conducted an AI healthcare summit. We are #1 state in India in attracting investments, both domestic and foreign. We have lowest inflation and are creating maximum jobs. At the recently concluded World Economic Forum in Davos, Telangana secured investments of rupees 1.78 crore, creating nearly 50,000 jobs across diverse sectors. Last year, we successfully attracted investment. Them have become operational. We are developing pharma villages between Outer Ring Road and Regional Ring Road. We hope to generate over 5 lakh new jobs. The Green Pharma City, a key initiative under Future City project, is progressing rapidly. Some of the biggest pharmaceutical companies have signed MOUs. We are coming up with a new life sciences policy, first in India. Today, we are welcoming 4 multinational companies to our ecosystem. I also take this opportunity to congratulate Professor Patrick Tan and being conferred the Genome Valley Excellence Award. Once again, I welcome all of you to this wonderful conference. Best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking to us and being a part of this inaugural ceremony of Bio Asia 2025. I think this calls for an opportunity for a photo opportunity. So I request you all, the dignitaries, along with our leaders, to please step up for a photo op. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude the inaugural ceremony, we would like to take a moment here to express our heartfelt gratitude to the dignitaries, our esteemed personalities who have spared their valuable time to be with us today. Each one of you, through your presence, has added immense value to this inaugural ceremony. A very, very special mention to our Chief Minister, sir, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for being over here to make the inaugural ceremony of Bio Asia 2025 even more special. Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to express our gratitude to all our sponsors and partners for their support to Bio Asia 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for being over here to make this day a little more special. As we request everyone to please remain seated as we move on to our next phase of Bio Asia. Moving ahead in this exciting journey of Bio Asia 2025, we now shift our focus to the much awaited keynote addresses.